Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use the center vehicle on map. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now all we need to do is find and select here the navigation. The navigation button is located at the left side of the screen. Tap the navigation, and now as you can see, you can use the settings. The settings button is located right here at the top of the screen. Tap here settings, then select the map settings, the first option. And as you can see from the following list, the second option is center vehicle on map. So let me enable this feature. Right now, if you see this green light, it means that the center vehicle on map is enabled. And now if you scroll around the map with your finger to look at other areas, the settings determines if the screen should automatically jump back to your car's current location after a few seconds. So I found this quite useful. So in my case, I always have this feature enabled. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and bye.